On October 2nd, 2024, Mountain Home, Arkansas police responded to a Walmart after asset protection reported a woman leaving the store with 2 carts overflowing with merchandise. But as officers questioned the woman, her behavior quickly made the situation even more suspicious. This is how it went down.
Yeah, she's out there in row 3. She's right here down row 3.
The one with the headlights on?
She's just on foot. She's got a black t-shirt, shorts, hair wrapped, scarf thing, and a whole big cart.
Well, she just went and got another car.
Howdy.
Hi.
Is everything fine?
My cart keeps spilling.
Where are you trying to take all this to?
Home to my husband.
Home.
He should have came with me if he was going to send me out here with this much stuff.
You don't have a lot of it in bags. Did you pay for all of it?
I don't believe in plastic bags, and I forgot my reusable ones at home.
I gotcha.
So.
Did you pay for everything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I gave the lady the receipt that I had, which was I had to do 3 transactions on this because he kept adding stuff. He said, oh, go get some pumpkins for the kids. And, oh, go get this.
Where is he at?
He's at home with the kids. And I need to get home because it's bedtime. I don't know why. She can literally go in there and check the receipts.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Somewhere in this mess. But, officer, I need to get home. Like, I did not steal. I am in enough trouble for driving. I did not steal.
What kind of driving stuff are you in trouble for?
Just, hitting the yellow line like all the old people in this town do.
I gotcha. Well, you're not old, though.
Exactly.
You're young.
Yeah. I barely touched the yellow line, and he's all staying between the mustard and the mayonnaise.
I've used that line before.
I mean, I thought it was funny, but not the second time it happened. Jesus Christ.
Can you see if Rachel can review the camera?
So, I'm just going to try to get this stuff in my car and go home to my children.
Where's your ID at?
I have my ID. I'm old enough to buy beer.
Oh, can I see it?
What do you need my ID for?
Because I'd like to check to see if you have any local warrants or anything.
I don't. I just got fingerprinted for work yesterday.
Where are you working at?
Twin Lakes Nursing Home.
Twin Lakes Nursing Home.
Yes, sir. I'm not a thief. I'm a good person.
Well,
it's because it's unbagged that she is assuming that. I paid for all my electronics. I paid for everything in this cart. I stood in an aisle with the shelves were bare, and I reorganized because it was all falling out of the cart, just like it is now.
But you're stuck here because you don't have a ride.
No, I'm not stuck here. I don't know where my car is. I thought I parked on this side, but I think I might have parked on that side.
Okay. Well, the story is that, for one, you can't check all this stuff out in electronics. Is this the same lady you've been looking for?
I've been watching her for a long time, like hours.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go there. And you didn't check out anywhere else?
I didn't check out everything in electronics, and yes, I did. I went to a person.
Okay, which person?
I don't think I
Well, in the front?
It was in the aisles that are open to the left. Or to the right, the left, yeah. Wherever all the home goods stuff is. I had
so,
there.
You are in possession of alcohol?
I am, and that was on the receipt.
Okay.
And I am 27 years old.
Well, can I get your ID to confirm that?
You can see my ID to confirm that, yes, sir. Do I look like I'm 18?
Well, I've seen 14-year-olds look like 21.
12/20 of 96. Please do not take out of my hand.
Why?
That is very rude.
Is it?
Yes.
What's very rude is you're going to end up going to jail.
Go have her pull up my receipts.
Let me see your ID, please.
My ID is right here. I am old enough to have alcohol. That is all you should be concerned about. Have the lady that is...
I am concerned about if there's any criminal offense that has taken place.
There is not any criminal offenses because I'm not a criminal. My grandfather was a Chicago detective, and that's who I live with. I am not a criminal.
Okay. Let me see your age.
My age, yeah, 12/20 of 96. Yeah, right there. 12/20 of 96.
Let me see it.
Don't pull things out of my hand.
Go.
Ow! Let go! You're stealing from me. You are stealing from me. I'm not under arrest. Ow! Why are you using force? arrest.
You are
I'm
now.
not under arrest. Why?
You are under arrest now.
Why?
For disorderly conduct.
I didn't, because you grabbed me. Are you kidding me? No. And you're on body cam right now?
Yep, it's ready.
I didn't steal anything. I do not believe in using plastic bags. Have her go inside and check the receipts. Let go of my damn...
Quit.
Stop trying to take... Ow! I didn't do anything. I did not do anything.
You're causing more of a scene.
Let me go, damn it. I'm not going to jail over paying for my stuff and not liking plastic bags. I forgot my reusable ones at home. Go ahead and check my criminal record because I'm not a criminal. Let go with me, please.
Nope.
What do you think I'm going to do? Run away with handcuffs on?
It's been done before.
Well, I'm not a fucking idiot. I'm sorry, I don't usually cuss,
Okay.
but this is ridiculous.
This is all that you paid for. That's what she paid for in electronics.
Why don't you go inside and pull up my receipts? I paid. You really think that I hang on to a receipt for things that are not returnable?
You need to hang on to a receipt till you get out of the store. Yes, ma'am.
No one's ever told me that. Can I take a drink of my drink?
You can just sit still until we figure everything out.
Can you please let me take a drink? I can barely speak.
Can you just be patient and just relax for a
It's
second?
right there if you would like to grab it. I have never shoplifted in my whole life. You can go inside and look up my purchases. I know you can.
Did you pay with cash or a debit card?
I paid with a debit card.
Do you care if they scan your debit card?
If they're going to take it out of my possession, then yes, I do care. Because I want to go home.
You're headed to jail.
Why?
I'm trying to save you
Why
a
am I
shoplifting
headed
charge
to
for
jail?
disorderly conduct.
No, I didn't do anything until you tried to yank things out of my
you
hands.
yelling is doing something.
After
So
you yanked things out of my hands, sir.
you can go put her in the car.
No, no, this is ridiculous. Hold on, let me grab my stuff.
They'll have it all
I
bagged
am
up
not,
for you.
no, I'm not going to jail. Give me a reason. You haven't read me my Miranda rights.
We're not questioning you. We don't have to read it to you.
Can I please have a drink? Stop. My kid.
Have a seat.
Damn it. Can I please have a drink?
I've been trying to.
Sir, I
be
didn't
with
get
you.
any way with you.
You're not working with me.
I did not get any.
Why would I work with you? That's how that goes.
Listen to
so
me.
can you please put your feet in there?
Can you listen to me, please?
No, listening's done.
No.
I tried to
What am I going to jail
for
for?
disorderly conduct.
No, sir.
Yes.
I did not commit disorderly conduct.
So
You tried to grab my personal wallet with
put your feet in there.
my debit cards.
Put your feet in there.
Listen, sir.
No,
You
we're
were
done
stealing
listening.
from me.
Okay, put your feet in there.
No. Please get a warrant. Get a warrant. Ow!
Then
Get a
quit.
warrant. Get a warrant now.
Ma'am, you're getting real close to getting tased. So
It pays for what? Get a warrant. I want a warrant.
Do you have a pull through?
yeah.
I want a warrant. This is stupid. I paid for my shit.
Quit.
Go in there and look. It's probably the biggest receipt she can find. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not going to jail over fucking shit I paid for. No. No. I want to call my lawyer now. Now. Ow.
Ma'am.
No. Ow. Ow. God damn it. Ow. I want my lawyer. I want, no.
If you want to leave with her, I'll be by with a ticket.
Guy on the phone after the electronic safety after I got my wires from Petco. So this is the receipt. I had it. No. I need my drink. No. My wallet's over there. No.
I guess we'll need to go in there and sort what's actually paid for.
No, sir, please. Are you kidding me? What about my wallet and stuff?
Other officer's going to bring it to jail. 30 PD, I'm 1015 into the jail.
I need my phone to make a phone call.
Like I said, the other officer's going to bring it to the jail.
And what about my stuff that I paid for?
It'll be all bagged up for you.
I'm suing y'all for hurting me. That was all on Bodycam and all unnecessary. I have a lawyer because I have gotten charged with 2 false DUIs in this fucking little small town. I'm so tired of you cops having nothing to do but fuck with innocent people. You don't put your hands on someone that is not being crazy. He tried to yank that wallet with my personal belongings, my dead best friend's belongings. It's in there. And you're going to do this? And my grandfather was a Chicago detective, and he was a great man. But you people around here are absolutely out of your mind. Who are you protecting right now? Isn't your job to protect and serve? You hurt me. What protection is that? Do you believe that you're protecting and serving someone right now? And I have the utmost respect for law enforcement. I have the right to call my lawyer, and you do not have the right to tell me when I can call my lawyer. I know that for a fact.
30 PD, 97 at the jail. I'm not exactly sure what her name is, but she's liable.
You know me.
I know you.
From what?
Coming here.
I have not been here in a long time. They think I just stole things because I don't believe in plastic bags.
Oh, no, that's not why you're here right now.
I'm here, because he tried to yank the wallet out of my hand.
It's disorderly conduct, man.
He was committing disorderly conduct and theft.
Back at Walmart, Officer Morrell accounted for the items that had been legitimately purchased using the receipt provided by Emily. Asset Protection then scanned the remaining merchandise, revealing a total of $1,789.29 in unpaid items. The purchased items were then bagged, transported to the Baxter County Detention Center, and logged as her personal property. Emily Uselton was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct and felony theft of property. Her bond was set at $2,500. And on February 10, 2025, Emily Uselton appeared in Baxter County Circuit Court, where she pled guilty to the charges against her. She was sentenced to 12 months probation and ordered to pay nearly $1,800 in restitution. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.